Here we are in a field in rural North Lincolnshire, and there's something rather interesting over in this direction. I think we should have a look. Behind me is the ornate southwest portal of Curtain Tunnel. It's on the railway line that links Sheffield to the east coast, and in a typical Victorian Folly fashion it resembles a castle. One of the most surprising and interesting facts about this construction is that on December the 25th each year, the sun sets in perfect alignment for it to be viewed through the tunnel, and it illuminates the entire length. Our assertion is that the engineers could have chosen a bearing of any angle, but the significance of the 224 degrees is similar to that of Box Tunnel, which on the 9th of April, Isambard Kingdom Brunel's birthday, the tunnel illuminates at sunrise. Curtain Tunnel illuminates on Christmas Day at sunset. So this is the science bit. Here we have Google Maps loaded with our area of interest. The grey marker indicates the southwest portal and the red one is the northeast. Also, in the date of interest box, we have entered the 25th of December. In the lower pane, there is some data that shows tunnel length and its bearing, which is 224 degrees. Below that is a depiction of the sun's elevation across the day. The sun is the orange wave and the moon is the grey curve. If we drag over using the button until sunset on this particular day, watch the orange beam move clockwise, which is an indicator of the sun's position in the sky. We can fiddle with the button along until it reaches 224 degrees, or as near as possible, which is the bearing of interest. You can see that the elevation of the sun is approximately 2 degrees, which is just enough of the setting sun and at just the right angle to illuminate the tunnel, or at least that is what we are proposing in this video. This calculation sort of works for plus or minus a day, but drops off in accuracy. However, it is clear that it never happens again on any other day of the year. Similar results can be achieved with Brunel's Box Tunnel, located near Bristol. The coordinates are readily available, and the web-based app of the photographer's ephemeris is available for free to check the results yourself, should you wish. It doesn't seem such a fanciful idea after all. The mathematicians and the skeptics can argue that Brunel's and Hawkshaw's calculations are wrong slightly, and that due to atmospherics or errors in calculations it could never happen. Romantics would probably argue with the notion that the tunnel was constructed with a strange but compelling fascia and its special alignment for a reason. As a testament to the talented engineers and workmen involved, it should be noticed and talked about for another 100 years.